And this morning, let's tell you what the situation is in different parts of the country. Focusing first on Goa, where cases have been rising, and that's led to a massive healthcare crisis. There are no beds available now for COVID-19 patients. The situation is such that people are seen lying on the floor, and these are patients waiting for doctors and nurses. Here's a ground report.
COVID patients lying on the floor at the Goa Medical College. There are no beds here. Look towards the left or the right and all you will see are hapless patients. As the state witnesses a big spike in cases, these images show the sorry state of the health infrastructure. They are everywhere, on the right and left, in what reflects the crumbling medical infrastructure of the state.
One of the most famous destinations for holidaying, not just in India but also abroad, Goa is facing deadly coronavirus. The cases are much high and the death ratio is continuously increasing. The positivity rate is over 50% while the recovery rate is just 70%. Now we are right now present outside Goa Medical College Hospital and the conditions over here are extremely bad. We have seen the video inside the hospital where how patients are lying on floors. They are not getting proper beds. There are no equipments. Patients' relatives are present inside and such horrific visuals are coming out from this medical college.
The hospital has recorded dozens of deaths. The highest was on May 11 when 26 people died allegedly due to the lack of oxygen. The kin of the deceased allege that the oxygen supply at the hospital is a big problem.
कोई तो उन पर रोशनी डालो, इन लोगों को, गोवा के लोगों को बचा लो सर, मेरा इतना ही आपको रिक्वेस्ट है सर, प्लीज। आज मेरे जीजा जी के साथ हुआ होगा और किसी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए सर।
कामली जी, हम लोग हालात समझ सकते हैं और हम लोग आज तक और इंडिया टुडे पर ये सच्चाई जरूर दिखाएंगे कि आप रोइए नहीं, आप अपना ध्यान रखिए।
सर मेरे सामने मेरे जीजा जी का अंत हो गया सर, लेकिन मैं कुछ नहीं कर सका। मैं बाहर से ऑक्सीजन लेके आया था सर, मैं बाहर से किसके पास से भीख मांग के ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर लाया, लेकिन बहुत टाइम हुआ था सर, बहुत टाइम हुआ था।
We are trying to give you the exact visuals from where this oxygen is loaded inside the hospital. Now here in the visuals you can see these are the trolleys. These trolleys have several oxygen cylinders. They are brought over here through the tractors and through trucks, and then this oxygen is supplied into the hospital. Now it has been alleged that the oxygen levels drop while refueling it. Here in the visuals you can see the air pressure cannot be maintained. That is the huge allegations which has been made, and this is the logistical issue due to which the oxygen air pressure is not being maintained, and this is the reason why the oxygen does not reach to the patient. The oxygen level suddenly drops, and it has been said at third and the fourth level where the COVID patients are admitted, their oxygen cannot supply, and the oxygen supply breaks down for 3 to 4 times in the midnight.
In fact, at this hospital in the capital Panji, the patients are allegedly left to fend for themselves as doctors do not attend them regularly. The deaths and medical apathy in Goa has also triggered a political war, with Goa Forward Party filing a criminal case against Goa CM, Chief Secretary and the nodal officer.
We had thought that state would file complaints by taking suo motu cognizance, which has not happened. So it's the duty of the party who wants to protect our people that accountability needs to be fixed. So we have filed a complaint. Now it's time for the police to act, because there are incidents I know wherein NGOs and certain political parties have given oxygen cylinders to even police officers who are suffering due to COVID. So government cannot even protect their own police officers. This is the current state of affairs in the Goa.
From 5% positivity rate in March to 51% now. Goa is battling a major COVID surge. The state's health sector is crumbling, with people dying for the want of oxygen and medical attention. With Saurav Akhtania in Panaji, Bureau Report, India Today.
And Saurav Akhtania, who filed that report for us, is joining us live this morning with the latest updates. Saurav, in that report, when we heard the family members of the deceased breaking down, it was heartbreaking, and you can only imagine the plight of the patients, of the families, and all that they're having to endure. Just list out to us the issues, the concerns right now as far as, Goa's fight against COVID is concerned. Is the state government listening? Are they doing something to address the healthcare issues?
Akshita, whatever they may be doing, but it is getting very less for the people of Goa. Let me tell you, first of all, there is lack of beds. There is lack of oxygen availability over here. Earlier, it was said that there is no shortage of oxygen or beds, but clearly, if you can see the ground reality, Akshita, the situation is very grim. Now, patients' relatives are asked to bring oxygen cylinders, medicines from outside. Now, Goa needs around 50 to 55 metric tons of oxygen, which they are not getting the supply. Now, yesterday, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has said that they are getting additional support of oxygen from other states. Now,
Okay, apologies. We've lost our connection with Saurav. We'll continue, however, to get you the latest ground reports from Goa as well. The situation is very, very bad. Cases going up. Hospitals are struggling right now to cope, as you see on your screens.